real quick driving video on this Ford Thunderbird. As you can see the miles down there, 7,457 currently. This car drives very nice, riding at right at 40 miles an hour currently. AC is blowing nice and cold. Wish it showed the outside temperature today because it is in the 90s. No steering wheel shake. A lot of times these older cars with original tires, they'll get flat spotted, but as you can see, no steering wheel shake. Tracks down the road very straight. Fuel gauge works. No check engine lights, no trouble codes. We like to do videos like this because the car might show up to the customer and you never know. It could have a check engine light or an ABS light or something pop up. When cars have sat for this period of time, obviously with not daily driving, things like that can happen. But currently no lights, no codes, no trouble issues. We've had our Ford technician go over the car. Everything's scanned good and clean. He put some fresh fuel in it. Oil's been changed. Car's been inspected. We're going to have a new inspection put on it as well, but also show you the inside here. The dash doesn't have any cracks. The windshield's clean and original. Stoplight, all the books, manuals, everything documented in the glove box right there as new. Floor mats over top of the original floor mats. Seats in great shape. Here's your inside view of this Ford Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.